Welcome back to the Mountain Morning Show. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I'm happy to have Aimee the Development Director from People's Health Clinic, and Beth Armstrong, the Executive Director of People's Health Clinic, here with me, as well as Candice Wilson, the General Manager of Tanger Outlets, to talk about Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I wore my pink earrings.
Oh,
You can really tell they're kind of hiding. In support of October and breast cancer awareness. So welcome, ladies. Thank you for being on the show. Tell me about this month. And we're all wearing our pink. We're supporting breast cancer. So Candice, let's start with you. How did you guys get involved with this program?
So since 1994, Tanger Outlets has been donating to breast cancer research through this Pink Card program, and we have raised over $17 million over that period of time. So we're really excited to kick this off again this month. It's an unlimited use savings card, just a $10 donation, and you get a 25% off discount for a single item at participating stores, and it's good at about 2/3 of our stores. So come out and shop, lots of savings to be had, and all while helping to support the Breast Cancer Research Fund.
Oh, which is great, great cause. So you guys brought me this little pink card. So you take this to the stores and it's 25% off, correct?
Correct.
And it's one item, but you can go back all through the month, correct?
Correct. Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah.
So yes, we like to stock up on our winter ski coats and such in October, but
definitely.
We're just talking Christmas shopping.
Right.
All of that is a great thing to do.
Yeah, we're seeing customers save $30 on a coat at Columbia with this pink card, so it's awesome.
Yeah, it is. Prices are already great at Tanger, so even better with this card. So what made you guys decide to support breast cancer awareness at Tanger?
It's a very personal thing. The Tanger family has been affected by it. I think a lot of us have been affected by it. We all know someone who has had breast cancer, or family or loved one that has been affected by it. So this is one of our core programs that Tanger focuses on throughout the year because it is very personal to each one of us.
Oh, absolutely. And so People's Health Clinic, how did you guys get involved with Candice and this great campaign?
So first of all, we're so lucky to be partnering with Candice and Tanger Outlets for this wonderful campaign. They are donating proceeds. Some of the proceeds are donated to People's Health Clinic because we provide women's services and we also help patients who are affected by breast cancer. And so we're so thrilled to be the local charity that benefits from this. And so we are helping to promote the event. We're helping to promote their Girls' Night Out, which I'm sure you will talk about in a moment. But we're, whatever we can do to support Tanger and breast cancer awareness and breast cancer research, we want to do.
Oh, that's great. And People's Health Clinic offers free mammograms to women over 40. Is that correct?
We offer a mammogram to every patient over the age of 40, and then anyone who, they could be younger if they find something during the examination, or if they come in already having found something, we will send them to have a mammogram. And this is through cooperation with our wonderful Intermountain Healthcare System and with Playing for Life, who gives us funding for some of these mammograms as well. So we use a voucher system, and if the patient can't afford to pay for the mammogram, then when they get to Intermountain, then it's at no fee. Otherwise, it's $50 for a mammogram. And these mammograms also, so that $50 is covered through the Playing for Life funding that we get. So
no women should hesitate in getting checked out. They shouldn't let insurance or cost keep them from going and making sure that
every woman should have a mammogram at the age of 40, or if during self-examination, which everyone should do on a monthly basis, if they find anything. Get to Intermountain and get a mammogram done. They have a 3D mammo now that state-of-the-art, not uncomfortable as the older systems were, and they can see so much more because it goes all around the tissues.
Oh, that's great. So if somebody does get diagnosed with breast cancer, that devastating diagnosis through the People's Health Clinic, do you guys help them throughout that treatment?
Absolutely. We have actually, unfortunately, several times a year, because we send so many women in for mammograms. We do have patients that do have cancer, and we catch it at varying stages. That's why we want all of them to have it, because the sooner you catch it, the more treatable it is. And whenever we find it, once Intermountain identifies it as cancer, then they take them into their system and, along with the help of our outreach and resource coordinator, walk them through the treatment, and that's at no cost.
Oh, wow, what a great resource.
Just a reminder, People's Health Clinic, we provide medical care to the uninsured in Summit and Wasatch County, so that if you don't have health insurance, we are a health home for you, because there are so many people that just don't have access to health care or can't afford it. It's expensive.
I think that's, people think that this Park City community is just, doesn't need resources like this, but you'd be surprised at how many people are seasonal workers,
right.
that just don't have that insurance and don't have those resources.
Last year, we had more than 8,500 patient visits at our clinic. So that's a lot of people coming in, and we also opened a new clinic in Heber Valley as well, at the Heber Valley Hospital, so that we can be there for our patients in Wasatch County as well.
Oh, nice. So Candice, you guys mentioned Girls Night Out. Tell me more about that.
Yes, we are hosting a special evening to help drive additional fundraising for the People's Health Clinic through this program on October 19th from 3 to 8 p.m. Guys are welcome too, even though we call it Girls Night. But just your donation for a pink card, you'll also receive a pink pack full of goodies, including a voucher for food trucks that are going to be there. Yeah, you get, if you spend $100 or more that night at our stores, you'll receive this pink Samsonite yacht tote as a gift with purchase. And we have selfie contest, prize giveaways, lots of fun things going on.
Oh, that's exciting. So October 19th, 3 p.m.?
Yes, 3 to 8.
3 to 8. And don't be afraid to go if you're a guy.
Right.
And you can purchase the card at peopleshealthclinic.org.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So that we have a link right on our webpage to purchase the card.
And then you pick it up at Tanger?
You can pick it up at Tanger or download it to your phone to have a mobile version.
Nice. So even better.
We do, and at TangerOutlets.com as well. Yep, digital pass, or come in to Shopper Services or get the physical card there as well.
Well, you guys are well prepared. I can tell this is something close to your heart and you're passionate about it. I know that I need to get a card because I need to head over and get my son homecoming clothes.
Perfect.
We're way behind. But his date needs to figure out what color his dress is, so we need to.
Aimee did that last night.
I did that last night.
You're ahead
It's
of me.
all taken care of.
I need advice because we're behind the curve. Well, thank you so much, ladies, for joining us. I know breast cancer is close to every single one of us. We all know someone who's been affected, and I'm so appreciative to Tanger Outlets for supporting this cause and supporting research and putting money behind what you're passionate about, and thankful to People's Health Clinic for joining us and for providing so many resources for the people here in Park City, Summit County, Wasatch County. All right, so get out, get your pink card, October 19th at 3 p.m. Head over to Tanger Outlets for Girls Night Out, get a wonderful pink tote, and support a great cause. We have much more on the Mountain Morning Show. We'll be right back after this.